India is in the international sports arena, winning many medals. No specific age or physical ability to win has been determined. Anybody can win if there's strength and courage. Moving forward on this path, Samagra Shiksha, Chandigarh is regularly conducting sports and skill training programs since 2018-19 to improve the quality of education for all students, including CWSN, children with extraordinary needs.
CWSN is children with special needs. These are children who are special, who lack one or the other ability, but they have many other abilities. So we take care of these children और हम इन बच्चों के लिए बहुत सारी activities कराते हैं. We give them sports and skill training.
As part of the NEP, this training program aims to identify and develop each student's unique capabilities through holistic development, focusing particularly on intellectual, mental, physical, emotional, and social skills, so that every child becomes capable of facing the demands and challenges of everyday life.
हमारे पास डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी के बच्चे होते हैं, तो हमें उनका हर एक लेवल चेक करना होता है. एकेडमिक और स्किल का, मतलब अगर बच्चा स्किल में जा रहा है तो हम उसकी पहले चेक करते हैं बच्चे को कि उसकी स्किल किस टाइप की है ना. तो फिर हम उन बच्चों को उस स्किल के दौरान हम उनको एक्टिविटीज़ सिखाते हैं धीरे धीरे. फिर हम एक ट्रेनर हायर करते हैं बच्चों को, ताकि इन फ्यूचर वो अपना स्किल कर सके, जैसे मतलब आफ्टर स्कूलिंग.
In CWSN, students' learning methods must be modified from time to time. Therefore, sports activities are also included alongside learning. These programs are specifically designed for children between the ages of 6 to 18. Special sessions are organized for children with intellectual disabilities, physical disabilities, locomotion impairments, autism, cerebral palsy, and multiple disabilities. These training programs expose the children to a wide range of activities. A variety of skill-building activities are offered, including music, arts and crafts, eye-hand coordination activities, independent living, and pre-vocational training. Their disabilities don't prevent them from being involved in a variety of skills. It is important for children to learn dedication to their work. This skill will ensure a better future for them. Holistic Education for Holistic Development, issued in the public interest by the Department of School Education and Literacy, Government of India.